Welcome guys, this is Tuesday coming to you live again. In this video, I'm going to show you a bot that allows you to track um, pink pink sale pre-sale, and it helps you to make 50 to 100x of your money just by entering every pre-sale and dictating some coin. And my strategy for using this bot. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button. So in this video, I'm particularly going to show you some pre-sale bot that I just got. Now, in the past, before I used to share signals, and I used to share signals, and I used to share some pre-sales for my Telegram folks in my VIP and also in the free channel. So if you have not been on our platform, can also join us. I share some signals and also share some pre-sale. So I wanted to show to you some of the board I'm using to track most pre-sales. This is totally free, and I wish to help even anybody that wants to. So this is the strategy. The bot is called Pink. It's called Pink Sale Bot. Now this bot allows me to see every single pre-sale that is coming on the Pink Sale. And Pink Sale is one of the most secured launch pad for for shitcoin, especially on in the crypto market right now. Now this pre-sale finance but is better than DSL. DSL, I'm used to DSL before. One of the things about Pink is that they have their token called Pinkcoin. But one of the things about them is that one, most of the tokens that get launched on this platform easily do 7 to 10x on just on launch, most launches, and most depending on the coin how you see. But for my strategy and what I used to do is that the bot helped me to give every single one that is getting. So for example, now if a pre-sale will come in the next 3 days, immediately the team goes to Pink Sale and register it. The bot will give me a notification right there. So the bot is on a Telegram bot actually. So it is let me show you. It's called the Pink Sale bot. Now you can see that every single minute it's giving this. This is if you look at the time here. The time here is 2:14, and you see the last pre-sale registration that came to uh Pink Sale is around 1:54, and you can see this is information. This is the Telegram group. In case maybe you want to join the information, you want to check about the token, and you want to be sure of the token and what is planned before you put your money. Because one of the things you need to know is that I will always advise you to know the coin, to know the team behind it. So most of them I don't just jump in. I watch out for this strategy. What are the first things I do for? I watch out for the name. Yeah, sometimes most of the time I want to avoid some kind of names like uh, Shiba Baby, some popular name like Shiba that is related to Shiba.com or something. The reason why is because most of the time, if a token is pumping like that, or those huge rocking like you are aware of pumping, it is very easy for a developer to go ahead and pick some fast smart contracts, get some group, and make a token and want to go register it, because it takes few thousands of dollars to get your token registered on Pink Sale, and after that the person can also go ahead and remove the liquidity after launch, because most times on pre-sale on pink sale, they cannot easily take away. There's a code that is on pink sale that they add that is preventing people. This is it. This is pink anti-bot. It allows once you fix in that this code, this token, or once you create it, it does not allow people to snipe the token. So, but the function of the bot I'm explaining today gives you that edge every single time, every single time. Now, for example, let's use example. You see, just between the time I strip it, somebody just registered. Now, if you go ahead and check the Telegram group, let's go ahead and check this Telegram group for you to see what I'm saying. So if you go ahead and check the Telegram group, you will see that at the time this group is here, this is Shiba Forever Pump. At the time the group is here, you can see that they had never mentioned when they will they will list or do their pre-sale. But already the bot is already showing me that they have already registered for the pre-sale, and the pre-sale will be coming on here. See, there's a link here already. So if I go ahead and paste it here, I can already see when this is here. I can already see when they plan to launch it. So they are planning to do this when that is today by 1 p.m. But people that is there right now in the group does not know the time that they will do it. Whilst the bot is already giving me the sign that okay, there is a pre that is coming on. So what are the things I watch out for? I watch out for the group and try to know I understand the project is all about, and what out for the team. If it's a botted team, which might not explain this group in this video. If it's a botted team, I might not invest. Secondly, if the soft cap and the market cap is small, I will probably not invest in it. Reason why is because most of the time, if you see a 70 to 50 BNB, that is the soft cap and the market cap, I won't invest because it's like a way of them just getting fast money. The developer getting fast money and what's trying to take away your money. Secondly, I watch out for the liquidity lock time. This is 180 days liquidity lock time, which means in 3 month time, which means this particular token is a pump and dump token. Because a good project, for example, see another one has just come in already. A good project would probably have 1 year, 3 years, or forever liquidity lock. But the project that is having 3 month lock tells you that it's just what, according to that name, is Shiba Forever Pump. It's just like, boom, you enter the pre-sale, it goes out, and that's all. You know what I'm saying? So these are the strategy that work. And one of the things I watch out for is for the liquidity proportion. This one you can see is what, 70%, and this one is what, is 100%. Now we'll compare this one and this one. This one is Viking Elon. Now look at how many days this one is. This one is what, 262,800 days. That is close to 5 years or 6 years liquidity lock. The soft market cap is what, 250 BNB, and the 500 BNB what, ad cap. Now if I check this Telegram group now, these are the next thing I watch out for. How many people are you seeing here? 1,000 members. So you see, this looks a little bit better. Reason why is because compare that to the other group that we saw there. We saw that there is a lot of a botted group. It's kind of a much more botted group in particular. So I might not really want to get into that token compared to this one. So I'll probably want to use this because this one looks like a project, but you cannot really confirm it's a project unless you go to the group and check out what it is. Now this pre-sale, but I might not sometimes I might not really want to add attention going into it. You will go ahead and copy this and put it in. Now if you check another thing about this is that even before people in that group, they are not seeing any pre-sale link. Are you seeing? No pre-sale link has been posted. But yet, okay, that's been posted here already. Most times, or some of the group, one of the ones I see, most pre-sale link has not been posted yet already. So immediately this group, the developer already started. I'm already having it. I'm already seeing it. So this is opening this up to a lot of token that I might be looking for. For example, maybe I'm looking for a token that is popular that we maybe, for example, Shiba is pumping, and I'm not looking for a fast token to invest in like Shiba. I can just put in the description button here. You can see I can track all the ones that have been Shiba token, check my criteria of how and go in for those tokens. So this is my strategy, and this is what I use This is what I've been sharing. I shared with my insider group and my moonshot group. If you're interested, you can go join us and we make a lot of money together. So thank you for your time. Peace out. Love you guys. You can join us our community, join us in our Telegram, like us on Facebook. Please subscribe to this channel. And we also have an escrow group where you can buy and sell any token in Nigeria. So please, we love you. Thank you. God bless you.